Welcome to PulseTCX Affiliate Program. Are you ready to turn your passion for style and elegance into a lucrative opportunity? Join us as we embark on a journey to showcase a curated collection of niche products that resonate with your audience. As an affiliate, you'll unlock a world of benefits designed to make your partnership both rewarding and enjoyable. First up, let's talk about earnings. With our program, you can earn an attractive 15% commission on every order you bring in. The more you promote, the more you earn. It's that simple. Once you sign up, you'll receive a unique affiliate link to promote our brand. Share this link across your blog, social media platforms, or YouTube channel. Every order made through your link will be credited to you, making it easy to track your success. But that's not all. Enjoy a generous 60-day cookie tracking period. This means any purchase made within 60 days after someone clicks your link will earn you a commission. It's a fantastic way to maximize your earnings. And when it comes to payouts, we've got you covered. Get paid regularly and hassle-free via PayPal or bank transfer. Your hard work deserves to be rewarded promptly. So, are you ready to join our thriving community? Sign up today and let's make the world a more beautiful place together. With PulseTCX, your passion for style can lead to a rewarding affiliate journey. Visit our website to learn more and start your affiliate journey now.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay updated on future content.